This is a video on how to calculate the acute angle between two lines. So this formula, tan theta modulus of m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 times m2 is in your formula book. So how would we use it? So we have two lines. The red line is y equals 3x plus 1. The blue line is y equals minus 4x plus 6. So m, as we know, is the slope. So we can read the slope m1. So let's call this 1 and let's call this line 2. So m1, the slope from the first line is 3. Remember, the slope is a number in front of the x. So m1 is 3. We can also see it on the graph. It is 1 over and 3 up. m2, the slope from the second line, is minus 4. Or we can see it from the graph. We can go 1 over or 4 down. 1 over and 4 down. Okay, so we now take these slopes and we go tan theta equals the modulus of 3, which is m1, minus 4 over, and then we have 1 plus m1 is 3 times minus 4. Okay, and it's the modulus of that. So let's calculate that. So 3 minus 4 is, again, is the modulus. 3 minus 4 is 7. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. 1 minus 12 is minus 11. And then the modulus, so let me write, the modulus is, then the modulus of 7 over minus 11 is 7 over 11. Remember, the modulus just turns it positive. So let me cover that for now. Okay, so we now know that tan theta is just like an x for an angle. Tan theta is 7 over 11. And in order to now find theta, the angle, we go the inverse tan of 7 over 11. And we can put that into the calculator with the shift button, shift tan of 7 over 11, and that would give us 32.47 degrees. Okay, so this angle here, so remember the acute angle. The acute angle is this angle less than 90 degrees. So this would be this angle, yeah? So this angle here is now 32.47 degrees. Yeah, so acute is the small angle. Yeah, okay. We can also calculate the other angle, this angle. Yeah, we can calculate this. So, and this would be called the obtuse angle. So the obtuse angle, and you recognize a straight angle like this, yeah? If you recognize this, so if this is 32.47 degrees, then altogether this is 180, and we just go 180 minus 32.47 0.47, and that would give us 147.53 degrees. So we can write that here, 147.53 degrees. Yeah. So if you calculate the acute angle, this would be the small angle, and the obtuse angle is the big angle, this one, bigger than 90 degrees.